Welcome to The Explainer. So today we're getting an exclusive under-the-radar look at the 2026 AI productivity stack. These are the tools that are just quietly, but fundamentally, upgrading how people work, how they create, and how they manage their time. If you're looking to get significantly more done with way less effort, well, grab a coffee because we're going to explore this together.
Because think about it, what if the best AI tools out there actually aren't ChatGPT? I mean, we all kind of default to the big mainstream names like Gemini or Claude, right? And don't get me wrong, they're great. But there is an entire ecosystem of hidden, incredibly powerful platforms just waiting to totally transform your workflow. These are the tools that almost nobody knows about yet, but honestly, once you use them, you're going to wonder how you ever survived without them.
And look, the reason you really need to expand your toolkit is simple. Mainstream AI is fantastic for, general chat and grabbing basic answers to everyday questions, but hidden AI, that is where the absolute magic happens. We're talking about highly specialized tools designed specifically to automate complex tasks, save you literal hours of time, and ultimately boost your earning potential.
So here is the game plan. We're going to build out your ultimate productivity system in 5 distinct layers: mastering research, instant visual content, generating audio and video, building software, and then finally a super concrete adoption strategy so you actually know how to use all this stuff.
All right, let's jump right into layer number 1, mastering research and organizing that beautiful mind of yours.
First up, we've got Perplexity Spaces. Look, if you're anything like me and you've currently got, say, 40 browser tabs open and your brain just feels entirely scattered, this is for you. It's an AI research assistant that neatly organizes your deep dives into dedicated project spaces. It collects your files, your links, your notes, and all your AI conversations into one single hub. Whether you're a student, a lawyer, or a business owner, it is a total lifesaver. And building right on top of that is NotebookLM. Think of this as your absolute own personal AI tutor. You can upload massive, overwhelming documents. I'm talking dense research papers or 100-page legal contracts, and the AI instantly comprehends the whole thing. You can literally interrogate the text, pull out summaries, or generate study notes in seconds. It's an unbelievable asset for anyone bogged down by heavy information.
Okay, moving right along to layer number 2, instant visual content creation. This is all about turning that organized knowledge into stunning diagrams and graphics, instantly.
So, depending on exactly what you're trying to make, we can easily map out the absolute perfect visual tool for you. If you need to turn boring text into crisp flowcharts, Napkin AI handles it automatically. Need a full-blown presentation? Gamma is your go-to. And if you're designing posters or social graphics, Ideogram is an absolute secret weapon. It actually generates perfectly readable text inside the image, so we can finally say goodbye to that weird, garbled, alien-looking AI lettering.
Actually, scratch that. I really want to emphasize the number 1 here, because it literally takes just one single prompt in Gamma to generate a professional PowerPoint-style presentation. Something that used to take us hours of tedious dragging and dropping is now fully done, slides, images, layouts, animations, the whole shebang, in just minutes. It's crazy.
Which brings us to layer number 3, generating audio and video. And we are talking hyper-realistic media here.
If you need realistic voices, ElevenLabs is an absolute hidden giant. It creates unbelievably natural human voices across a bunch of different languages. Imagine narrating a whole YouTube video or even an entire audiobook while you're literally just sitting back sipping coffee. The days of that clunky, robotic-sounding AI are entirely gone. This is genuinely indistinguishable from a real human speaking.
And for the visual side of things, there is HeyGen. It's basically the ultimate shortcut for creating marketing videos or online courses without ever having to step in front of a camera yourself. You get these incredibly natural AI presenters. You just type out your script and it generates a highly realistic talking video. It's like having a full professional video studio living right inside your web browser.
All right, layer 4. This one is huge. Building software without coding, getting your own digital employees and apps.
First up in this space is a tool called Lovable. If you've ever had this brilliant idea for a website or web app, but you zero coding skills, well, your barrier to entry is officially gone. You just describe your idea in plain, everyday English, and Lovable automatically generates a complete, fully working web application for you. Next, we have to talk about AI agents, specifically Manus AI. And the crucial point here is that Manus isn't just a chatbot, it's a true digital employee. Instead of just answering a question and stopping there, it acts autonomously. You give it a high-level goal, and it actively goes out and researches, analyzes, plans, and actually executes the tasks for you, while you just get to focus on the big picture.
And to round out our software stack, we have Replit AI. This entirely flips how we build tools on its head. Replit allows absolutely anyone to create full applications simply by describing what they want. It writes the code, actively hunts down and fixes errors, and even deploys your finished project straight to the web. It is quite literally like having a senior developer sitting right next to you doing all the heavy lifting.
Finally, we've reached layer 5, your AI adoption strategy. Because, let's be real, how do we actually master this stack? Because having all these incredible tools is completely useless if you just get totally overwhelmed. So here is the absolute fastest way to become an expert. Step 1, choose just one tool. Pick your favorite. Step 2, use it every single day for 1 week just to build the muscle memory and the habit. Step 3, only then do you move on to the next one. Don't try to learn all 10 today, pace yourself. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
So which AI tool actually surprised you the most today? Take your favorite one, apply that 1-week mastery strategy, and just watch your productivity completely shift. But I'll leave you with this one final thought. If an AI can now research, design, build, and present your next big idea entirely on its own, what exactly is holding you back from starting it today? Thanks so much for learning with me, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.